Hi, my name is Chavi. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 operating system using Microsoft Deployment Toolkit or MDT. First of all, I'll install MDT. I have already downloaded the MDT Toolkit 2013. It's a free tool from Microsoft. Anyone can download and install it. Everything install. This will take about a few seconds. Finish. So I have installed MDT. Go to start and look for MDT. Microsoft Deployment Toolkit. Here I'll open Deployment Workbench. This is my deployment workbench. Now to install Windows 10 operating system, I'll go to deployment shares and I'll have to create a deployment share. Right click, new deployment share. I'll specify the deployment share path. This is the by default path which it takes. We can change it if we want. Next, deployment share name, the name of the share. I can specify the description. Let's say Windows 10 share. I can specify the deployment options if I want a system to ask for the product key or the local administrator password, if I want the image to be captured or BitLocker to be enabled or the backup should be performed or not. This is a summary. Next, this will take about a few minutes to complete. It's complete. I can also view the script which ran in the background. This is a PowerShell script and I can store it for future use if I want. Finish. As I can observe here, my Windows 10 share is created. I'll expand this. Now, here I can add all the applications, drivers, or whichever operating system I want to install, right? Let's go to operating system. I'll import the operating system which I want to install. Import. I can specify that which type of files will I want to install. Here I'll go for the custom image file. Here I'll have to add a Vim file of an image. So I have this install.vim already there in my system. So you also would need to have a ISO for the required operating system. Open. Next. I can specify the directory path. Next. Destination directory name. Windows 10 install. Next. Now this import of operating system is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. So as I can observe, the process has been completed successfully. I have imported the operating system. Finish. Right, this is my Windows 10 Enterprise evaluation. I have added the operating system. Now, I can also add some drivers. Let's say import drivers, source directory. .64. I already have these driver files, so you can also add the driver files as per your requirements. Completed. Finish. So now as you can see, I have added the driver here. Now I will create a task sequence. Now this task sequence will define that what I have to do. Next. I'll select the template. Since this is a client operating system, I'll select the standard client task sequence. This is the operating system. I do not want to specify the product key. Full name, student, organization. I can specify administrator, organization, and data. That's it. Password. Next. So done. So I have created the task sequence also. If I want, I can also edit this standard default task sequence. Right click the task sequence, go to properties. This is the general configuration options, task sequence. Here I can specify here I have different installation phases and I can configure each one. Right? So go to pre-install, inject drivers, and if I want, I can select a specific selection profile. Select nothing from here. Okay, that's it. Now, after doing everything, I'll right click my deployment share and click on update deployment share. This will this is going to take a few minutes. Optimize the boot image. Next, next. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes to complete. As I can see, the process is completed. Finish. Now, I'll go to the C drive, the deployment share folder, which was created automatically. And here I'll open the boot. Here I can find the ISO and the Vim images using which I will install my Server 10